Hey everybody, David Lemon here. I have very good news for you guys. You will love this one. So we have released a pretty big feature for GrooveMail. This was something that a lot of you guys were waiting for. We were waiting for that one as well. But what we have added is functionality so that you can design your emails. Previously, if you remember just a couple of days back, we were talking about having an email builder on our State of the Groovy on, and we were showing what it can do, but it is basically now we release it live for everybody. We had just a basic, what you see is what you get, text editor, but we have now created a completely new functionality where you can design, you can put in columns, buttons, all sorts of different elements, all sorts of different links and things like that inside your emails to make it pretty like what you get when you receive newsletters from, I don't know, an e-commerce store that you're frequenting or something like that. So let me just show you in GrooveMail where you can find this new email builder, what all the features are related to it and how does it work. So let me just dive in very quickly. First off, I want to tell you about the sidebar. So we changed some things over in the sidebar. I'm going to bring my head over here. There was, we had two separate buttons over here, which was saying broadcasts and sequences. Now we have merged those into one button, which says campaigns. And we have separate broadcasts and sequences over here, but we also have my templates and categories. These are the two new things that we added. So you can also access the templates from here. So you'll see broadcast sequences templates. So let's just go in there, and it's the same thing as when you click on here or on here. So it doesn't really matter where you go from. But what this allows you is to create email templates with the new email builder. So as you can see, you can create your templates using just by going in to create a template directly. And this is our template library. We will have this template library in almost every app that uses any kind of template. So this is coming to GroovePages as well. With the next release of GroovePages 2.0. But here you can see the different categories of the templates. Like for example, if you are in e-commerce, you can click on the e-commerce category and then you can kind of browse around. But what you could do is you can toggle on or select multiple different options. So you can see that categories, there's one option selected. In usages, if you want to do something like, I don't know, Singles Day, you want to find a Singles Day template for e-commerce. Currently, we do not have one for that particular purpose. So you can look in through different options what we have. Based on the selection, you will be able to find templates that suit your needs. So for example, let's just see here we have abandoned cart. So e-commerce and abandoned cart goes hand in hand, so I'm sure we will see some. As you can see that there are some templates over here, so you can select multiple different options in order to find the templates that you need. All right. Also, when you want to find something real quick, like for example a thank you email, you just want to send a thank you email and you don't know what to do, now you can go in and just search for a template, and let's just say that we are going to select this one. We can select it and it drops us immediately into the email builder. Let me just go back and show you that we can also, let's just go back to thank you. And we can also see the image or see the preview of the template. But if you want to have a look at the whole thing, you can just click the preview and it will show an image and it will show you how it looks like. So let me just go back into the builder and show you a bit around. Here you can see that there is the builder. So whenever you hover over anything, this is a full-on completely new builder that is available. So you can design everything like basically like in GroovePages almost. So if you want to move things around on the canvas, you can just drag and drop things. If you want to add some stuff on it, you can see here we have these elements you can click and drag on the canvas. You click on stuff and you can change it, like change the image. The Groove image library shows up, so you can put in all kinds of images in there. You have alternate text options, image link. You can also link those images into call to actions and things like that. So each and every one of these elements will have its own set of options that you can manage and that you can set up. But for example, if you want to go now and change the colors of this email, then you can maybe select this section and change this pink color to maybe put it to white. I don't really need this on the top, so I'm just going to delete this here, and also this section I don't need. So now I have just a welcome image with some text. If I want to put in, instead of hi John Doe, I want to put in the actual name and the first name and last name of the people, I can select this text, delete it, and put in some merge tags. Merge tags are going to be dynamically populated. So if you're sending out email to a list of contacts, then this is going to put in the first name and the last name of each and every contact that you're sending the email to. So we can say hi, first name, last name. So it will say, instead of hi John Doe, it will say hi, or it will say hi, I don't know, the name of the contact on your list. Anyway, you probably know what merge tags are. So this is the way that you can put in a different stuff as well. Like just selecting the text or clicking on a text element, you'll see the merge tags. You can put in all of your custom variables that you created, or the ones that are normally there in each and every email platform, like email, phone, company, address, city, and things like that. Depending on the information you collect, you'll be able to showcase that information inside an email. All right, we also have affiliate links. If you are saying we are running a promotion, here is your affiliate link you can promote for us, you can just click this button and then add an affiliate link for a specific promotion. Like for example, I am an affiliate to promote, let's just say groove.cm, and if I want to select an affiliate link, I can just put in my affiliate link from here. I don't need to go and actually go into the partner program, scroll down to the promo tools, click on links, copy one. It just gives you immediately the links that are populating directly inside the email. So that's these two options over here. As you can see, there is many more options to change the font, change the sizing, positioning. You can put in emojis, you can have a search for emojis. It's all built in, it's all very powerful, so you can use it. So yeah, it's basically a text editor with some extra options. So go ahead, explore this a little bit, click around, select a template, click around, change it up to your liking, and try to build something great with this one. You can also have mobile responsive templates, or basically the emails, mobile responsive emails. Whenever you create an email, it will try to automatically fit it to mobile, to fit on mobile screens as well. But if you don't like something, you can go then and change some stuff around. Like for example, here I want to put it on a little bit smaller. So let's just say something like this, and then you can so we have the visibility on, hidden elements are visible, and then you can go back to the desktop and see how it looks like on desktop and how it looks like on mobile. So it will look good on both devices as well. Standard delete or duplicate, moving things around, but this is where it gets exciting. Content, we have different options here for title, paragraph, list items, images, buttons. You can put in buttons inside your emails. You can make them bigger, make them smaller. You decide where to link and things like that. So as I said one more time, just go look around. All of these options you are already familiar with from GroovePages if you used it already. Yeah, so it's almost identical, drag and drop, but here we just have one row of things that you can put in. You can also put in different columns. So you can put in multi-columns, for example, here. And then once you click on this one, you can drag it and resize it if you prefer. And then you can continue putting in content in these boxes over here. Settings, this is the general settings for your email. You can select, you can set up the width of your emails. By default, it is 700 pixels. You can make it wider, you can make it narrower, but you can also do some other stuff like align the email content to left or center, or you can put in background colors and default fonts and things like that. So you can also select the color of your link. Normally it's something like this, some bright blue. So whenever you have a link in an email, it is going to show this bright blue instead of that gray that is usually in the template that you select. All right, so once you're done and you created a template, you can click the save template and it's going to ask you for the category. The categories you can create yourself. Let's just say that you're creating welcome email for your funnel. So you create a category funnel emails or something like that. And then you give the template name, thank you for purchase. All right, you click save. and then you have saved this template. There is a thank you for purchase in this category of funnel emails, and this was created. You can go back in and edit it, preview it, or delete it as you wish. But let me just go back into broadcast and show you some more options that are showing up when you create an email broadcast. So when you're creating a broadcast, you can set up a broadcast name and broadcast category. So you can create categories for your broadcast as well. Like this is going to make it simpler for you to recognize the different emails, to categorize them for the different use cases. So I'm just going to say test and then just create a category funnel emails. All right, for funnel broadcasts. All right, let's click save. And here, once we go to the next step, we can decide who to send these emails to. And then we can go into the email builder. We still have the basic email editor as we had it previously. It all works and it's all great. So if you prefer to just write plain text emails with just a little bit of editing, then you can do that one as well. Or if you already have an email builder that you're using and you created a lot of different emails, you can just copy paste over the HTML content over here and you can preview that content once you edit it here. So, but by default, the email builder is going to be selected and you can click to compose your emails here. Now you see these are the templates from our library, but you can also access your own templates. One of the things that we're still working on is the screenshot for your own template. So that's coming within the next couple of days. But you can also see the categories for your emails, and all of the stuff that you created previously will be showing here. We have one more thing that is saved emails. I'm going to explain how to do that and what is this used for. So you can create templates, but you can also save your emails once you created it so you can reuse them much quicker. All right, so let's just go back to my templates and I'm going to select this one. And here, when we were editing the template, we had only one option here on the top, but now we have a couple more options. One option here is to change the template. So I'm looking at the upper right hand corner here. Change the template. Once you click this one, it's going to ask you, are you sure you want to exit out of this template and switch it to a different template? You can confirm or cancel. It's going to bring you back to the template library. You can save the email. You can save as template, or you can just save and exit. So save an email. This is very handy when you want to just save this email and maybe continue working on later on, or reuse it in a different broadcast later on. So it's similar like a template, but templates are used for designs mainly, but the saving an email is saving the actual content inside the email. So let's just say that you created now and you have written all your email copy, but you are not fully ready to just send it yet. You save that email, and then once you're ready to send it, you can just send the broadcast. Or you create your emails, you save all your emails, and then you are ready to create a sequence like day 1 email, day 2 email, day 3 email. So once you have all your emails created and saved, you just go into the sequence builder and you basically create the flow of your email. So it's basically you create something, you save it, so you can just go through the next steps later on. Saving an email is done exactly the same way as saving a template. It's just that templates are, okay, my image or logo will be here. Here I will have an image. Here I will say hi. My button will be this color. My images will be here. But the actual saving of the email is the content that you composed can be used in a sequence or something later on much quicker. So yeah, that's basically it. Wherever you have, okay, I'm just going to exit. I don't want to save this email now. So you can exit from the builder without saving on the left hand corner. So we saw how it works with broadcasts. You can also go into sequences and create emails from there as well. Let me just actually go into an existing one. Maybe just this. So you can edit your emails and create the message using the email builder, basic email editor, or just HTML content. It is available, so it will drop you in. You can click the saved emails and now just click on the email that you want to add, and that email content is going to be sent through the sequence. So this is now the update. This is a huge change, and it's going to allow you a lot more capabilities for sending emails, and it's just a great thing to have. We have now set up a process where we are going to take this email builder and add it into all of our apps that have anything to do with sending emails. Like for example, Webinar. Groove Webinar will also have this email builder. In GrooveSell, where you're sending the transactional emails, you'll also be able to set up emails using the new email builder. And this email builder is going to be everywhere where you are going to be managing your emails. So yeah, this is a great start. We are looking forward to seeing what you guys can create with it. And if you have any questions, please let us know in the comments below. Thanks guys, see you in the next one.